This is the video for the working system of our Pokemon database. So you can see on our web app, we have all our different sections, including Pokemon, the moves, items, trainers, abilities, and locations. And then for each of these different sections, you can click on the all section of that. So if we click on all Pokemon, you're going to see a list of all the Pokemon with the number, the name, the height, and the weight. And then you can click on one of these Pokemon, and then it will give you a single profile view of one of these Pokemon. So this is Bulbasaur. You can see all of its information here, and then you can see different other entities that it's connected to. So it has a list of moves, abilities, trainers, and the Pokemon that it evolves to. And so we can see our abilities here. We can actually click on one of these abilities, and then it will give us more information about that ability. So if we go back to our Pokemon database, so we have all sections of the entities, and then we have our specific queries that would interest people that are just starting to learn how to play the game. So here we have a list of all the Pokemon that do not evolve. And then again, you can click on one of these and then see the abilities and more information for that Pokemon. For the Pokemon, we also have a special query for Pokemon with a certain ability. And so here, the default ability that it shows is Chlorophyll. And so here are all the lists of the Pokemon that have that ability. And then you can try and enter in different abilities. So if we try Lightning Rod, and we search that here, we get a different list of Pokemon, and then they have that ability. In the move section, we have the all moves here. So you can see a list of all the moves that we have in our database. And you can see all the information here. And then if you click the move, you can see the information again there. And then in a special query that we have for the moves is moves with a power greater than a certain number. And so if we click here, we can see all the moves. By default, the moves with a power greater than 50. And then if you change this, let's say 100, then you can see all the moves are filtered, and all the power right here are greater than 100. For our items, we have the all section right here. And so these are all the items that we have in our database. Again, here it lists all the information, and then you can click on this, and then it will give you an easier way to see all of that information. And then we have a special query, items that contain teachable moves. And so you can see all the items right here. These are the items that contain in the name TM or HM right here. And then for our trainers, we have the all section again. These are all the trainers that we have, and you can click on one and see more information. A special query that we have for trainers is trainers that have a certain Pokemon. And so here we can see all the trainers that have Pokemon Weedle. And then if we type in a different Pokemon, like Pikachu, we search, and then we see that Ash Ketchum has that Pokemon, and then we can also click on Ash Ketchum and then see information about him. And then for abilities, we have a list of all the abilities, and you can click on these, showing more information about the ability. And then the locations, we have a list of all the locations that we have, and then clicking on these will give you a single profile view of that location. Thanks for watching.